Yesterday, we began looking at how to divide a whole number by a unit fraction, a proper fraction smaller than 1. Today, we're going to look at some more examples, and I've provided the models for you. Reed has 4 yards of ribbon. She plans to cut the ribbon into pieces that are 1/3 of a yard long. How many pieces of ribbon will Reed have? So she has 4 to start with, and she wants to divide it up into 1/3 size pieces. Use the model to help you solve the word problem. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, just like she had 4 yards. And each rectangle is split up into 1/3 size pieces. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, and a whole. So let's count and see how many 1/3 size pieces she can fit in all 4 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She can fit in 12 1/3 size pieces. And remember, our quotient, our answer of 12 is larger than what we started with, our dividend 4, because we're splitting it up into small size pieces. Today, when you do your work, you'll have 2 practice problems like this. 3 divided into 1/2 size pieces, and 2 divided into 1/12 size pieces. Make sure you count and see how many pieces it makes in all. You'll also have a screen like this. Divide the whole numbers by unit fractions. 3 divided by 1/2. That means I have 3 wholes divided into 1/2 size pieces. I have shown you that on the model here. 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes. You see how it's 3 of those 1 whole rectangular blocks. And we already split that into 1/2 size pieces. So I need to count and see how many 1/2 size pieces will fit in 3 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1/2 size pieces will fit into 3 whole blocks. Let's do one more example together. 4 divided by 1/4. That means 4 of these whole size pieces, all 4 of them, divided into 1/4 size pieces. Let's count using the model and see how many 1/4 size pieces will fit into all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 1/4 size pieces fit into 4 holes. You're going to finish these last 3 models by counting up to see how many 1/3 size pieces will fit into 2 holes, how many 1/5 size pieces will fit into 2 holes, and how many 1/3 size pieces will fit into 3 holes. Remember to take your time and do your best.